and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Writer. Link in description. Chalk. Oh, truck. Oh, oh.
All right, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one that came out of a Nakama Noodles box. Go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com. Use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. This is an udon, a Nissin Donbei, Kaki udon. And, yeah, I'm in a real hurry today. I got 3 to do. But yeah, this should be interesting. I haven't done this one before. Generally what you see on the show is stuff I haven't done before. So that should be good to go. Takes 5 minutes. Bam! And, how the heck is everybody doing? Why are you in such a hurry, Ramen Raider guy? Well, it's, just after noon. And I've got until, what? I gotta be done with 3 reviews by 12:45. I'd really like to be done with 3 reviews by 12:45. The next one should be pretty quick. The third one, however, that might be the one that I just can't pull off. But we'll see. I'm gonna do my best. Just got back from hoofing it around. Ended up with like some vile, other words that start with V, back pain today. So I went for a slightly shorter walk. I think I only did more like 7.25 miles instead of my usual 8.3 to 8.5. So I'll make it up later. Don't worry about that. Don't you worry, your pretty little heads. Shout out to the person after getting a whole bunch of crummy messages and comments on Reddit. Shout out to the person who actually said something really nice, and I really appreciate them. Thank you very much. Granted, that was way back in November. What's today? November 14th, 2024. Yeah. It's about that time. So this comes with this. This is like, what do you call it? Tempura. I've never seen them wrap one of these in like shrink wrap either. And I like that, yet I don't like that. I'm hoping this will come apart without becoming a big crumbly mess. But we will see. So what's going on today? Not a lot. I've been trying to wrap my head around the whole thing about how they want to deport all these people, and I was thinking like, what are they gonna do? I thought, like, what would be like a really weird thing to do? What they could do is they could make a deal that if do you know somebody who knows somebody, or do you know somebody who shouldn't be here legally or isn't here legally? Drop us a line. If we deport them, you will get $200. Something like that. I don't know how else they would do it. And it's like, I don't think that's a very nice thing to do, but I'm just trying to play devil's advocate and try to like come up with like, how are they gonna like do this? I don't know. I really don't know. I don't think they will. I mean, I think they'll try, and I think they'll probably deport a ton of people, but I don't think I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I literally just got back from walking around. It was weird this morning. I'm getting the kids ready. I'm about ready to go, and I get up out of my my office chair over there at the world headquarters of the Ramen Raider, and I get up, and I don't really even like twist funny or anything, and all of a sudden, just like up at the top in my back, felt like somebody just like, here, let's do this to you, and put two butter knives under like my spine and my shoulder blades, and it's like, ooh, it's still just like, it's mean. But generally what I've found is if I have any kind of pain of any type, if I get out and like walk like a madman all over the place, it generally goes away. What I've also found is, like, if I fall asleep on accident, we do this all the time. We'll have dinner, we'll be sitting on the couch. We have a comfy couch, I'll admit it. And we will pass out and wake up like at 4 in the morning, and then like she'll probably go to bed, but I'll just end up staying up. And I've found if I fall asleep sitting up on the couch, my back, I like usually when I fall asleep in the bed, I end up with back pain, lower back pain. But if I sleep on the couch, I don't. Which makes me think we need to get a new mattress, but that's kind of a spendy affair, so. No springs coming out of it yet. We must not need a new one. Well, here's the udon. Let's give it a try. Noodle's all right. Interesting. It's not bad. I mean, I'm generally not really easy on these kind of things. Like, I like udon, but I don't really like the traditional broths they come with. And this one's okay, but I'm just not like so heavily enamored with bonito as the main flavor. This one has a little bit of a smokiness to it, and I kind of like that. Then we drop this on top. Bam. And it's tempura, so it's crispy, and it's nice. Well, I'll do that after I take the pretty pictures. Like I said, I am in like crazy hurry the hell up mode. I'm gonna get the water boiling pretty much for the third one, because the second one is microwavable that I'm doing today, so that's not bad. The third one is what's going to take a stupid amount of time. But anyways, where's my seeds? Where did my sesame seeds go? There they are. Here, come to me, sesame seed. Let's put you on the udon. Okay. I was gonna put Narutomaki on it, but I forgot. I gotta bring those out too. Anyways, the prep never ends. Well, I'm kind of annoyed now because I was thinking, oh, I gotta do this one, and then the next one. This one I can't put an egg on. I guess I could. I mean, I've got 2 eggs I gotta use today. Maybe I'll use the egg on the next one. Yeah, I guess that's what I'll be doing. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. The next one you're gonna see is this. It's a new packaging. This is the cup noodles stir-fried rice with noodles. And it's got a Thai yellow curry flavor. Some people say it's too sweet. I've had it. I really liked it. So, anyways, have a good one. Bye-bye.
Hi, I'm Miriam, and my favorite type of noodles is creamy chicken noodles, and I sometimes like egg on it, and I like Naruto with it, and cheese on top. It's my most favorite.